Hey, what's up, banda? How you doing? My name is Mario Medina, Baja window to the south. Welcome, San Diego Red. Today I prepared one of the best unique dishes, the Mexican gastronomy, Chiles and Nogada, and today I have the presentation and the whole prep for you. Welcome and follow me. And now I present the ingredients, guys. It's a little bit different because the traditional recipe is with the pork, but our recipe is a steakhouse. It's a welcome to Brasa. He used beef, ground beef. I have poblano peppers, pears, onions, garlic, peaches, apple, granada, plátano macho, tomatoes, parsley, nuts, nogada, raisins, almonds, goat cheese, fat pork, cream cheese, cloves, cumin, nuez, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cinnamon. And follow me to check the new recipe, our chile nogada. Welcome to Brasa. Sabor. ¿Y qué creen? Ahora les voy a platicar un poquito de la historia de este platillo, uno de los platillos de la gastronomía mexicana, un plato único y con una historia muy peculiar. Cuenta la leyenda que cuando el ejército trigarante de Agustín de Iturbide pasa por la ciudad de Puebla, en muestra de agradecimiento, las monjas del convento de Santa Mónica lo preparan y le dicen al ejército que es un plato que representa a nuestro país. Verde la unión, blanco la religión y rojo la independencia. Vámonos a preparar un poquito de nuestras tradiciones mexicanas. Sabor. So now I cut and chop it up all the ingredients and now I start to cooking, guys. So I have the pan, I have the ground beef. I start for the beginning, I start with the onions, garlic, and after that I start to use, I add the pear, peaches, apples, tomatoes, and the last one I put the banana because it's a little bit more soft, and after that I put all the spices and I put in different place I make the nogada sauce. So I show you, follow me. First of all, it's already finished our prep, nogada sauce, stuffing, clean our pepper, poblano pepper, granada and parsley. So it's super easy. Now I start to fill this little baby right here. Check this out. Oh my God. That's why the Mexican cuisine is one of the best Mexicans in the world. It's amazing. You need to try it. Check this out. So now I add a little bit of sauce in the bottom. A little bit generous. Now I put our pepper right here. Check this baby. There you go. Ahí está. Now I cover our pepper with the Nogada sauce. Oh my god. I can put the parsley and that's this one. So let's finish our traditional chiles en nogada. Come and try our unique dishes, unique recipes. Welcome to Mexico. Sabor.